I should probably just change my name to Doesn't Post a Lot. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. How do you like that spaghetti on my chin? Okay. Well, fidget toys are kind of out right now. Fidget spinners. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm sorry. But fidget cubes. Pretty cool. Not really. And then they came out with all these other toys. But I found a new fidget toy. Most people might call it satisfying, but I just like to squish it. Okay, it's not in my hands right now, but here it is. The one and only Specs magnets. I will show you. It'll come in the box like this. Specs magnets. It is actually 512 earth magnets, and it comes in a really cool cube. Satisfying. I'll show you a picture on the screen. There or there, you never know. And so yes, they come in a cool cube, and it comes with this little booklet that I accidentally comes with a booklet, and what are these? Oh my word. Oh, anyways, it comes with a cool booklet, and I'll show you how to like make triangles, but while I'm doing school, I'll just be like, and I also made a ring like all the way up my finger. It was not a ring, but like a stylish dude fashion. But I'll just do something like this. Hold up. I know this is probably cringe for you right now, but still. I'll just build it all the way up my finger, and it looks really cool. Oh yeah. Check out my white forehead. Hey, it's the sun, okay? No, don't blame me. So, yeah, anyways. This is the new fidget toy, so go check it out. I got these at Barnes & Noble. Barnes? I have no idea. But you can get them on Amazon and stuff like that. Keep these away from children or young kids, because I have lost like, I don't know, 12. It smells disgusting. And so, yeah. It's really hard to make a cube again, but I'll let you try to figure that out. And so, yeah, make sure to check these out, and they're just the new fidget toy for me. Listen to the satisfaction. Okay, if that was not satisfying for you, I understand. But yeah, go check these out, and I'll see you next time. Go subscribe and like this video! I need a life. Bye.